Okay, in this video we're going to create this solid using 4 shapes. I'm going to start with the line. L, enter. Click here. Function key 8 button. I'm going to drag this direction, type in 96, enter. Escape button. Scroll out. L, enter. Select this endpoint. Go up. 64, enter. Escape. I'm going to select both of these lines. J, enter. Then I will use an offset. O, enter. 16, enter. Select this line and click to the left of it. Escape. Line, enter. Endpoint to endpoint. Line, enter. Endpoint to that endpoint. Escape. I'm going to highlight all of this. J, enter. Line. Click here. 28, enter. Let's go to the right, a distance of 40, enter. Let's go up, 28, enter. C, enter. Circle, C, enter. Click this midpoint, 12, enter. TR, enter. Click here and here. Escape. I'm going to highlight these objects. J, enter. M, enter for move. Select this object, enter. Select this endpoint and click it to this endpoint. Polyline, so PL, enter. Select this endpoint to this endpoint to this endpoint. C, enter. And the next shape I'm going to create out here, P, L, enter. So I'm creating a polyline. Click here. 20, enter. 16, enter. 20, enter. A, enter. CL, enter. Okay, I have all of my shapes created. Just going to click here for the isometric view. Extrude. Select this shape, enter. I'm going to pull going up a distance of 64, enter. Use the same command again, extrude. Select this shape, enter. Going up a distance of 42, enter. Go back to the extrude command. Select this shape, enter. I want to go up a distance of 12, enter. Now I need to rotate all of these things, but I can't do that if I'm in a 2D wireframe. So switch to shades of gray. I'm going to select this drop down and choose rotate gizmo. I'm going to highlight just these objects. Select the red axis and come straight above it. And make sure that your ortho is on so it's locking it. Click above it. Escape. I'm going to zoom into these two shapes. M, enter for move. Select this object, enter. click on this midpoint, click that endpoint, escape, M, enter, select that shape again, enter. I'm going to pick a base point here. I'm coming straight down. Once again, make sure your ortho is on. I'm going to type in 40, enter, escape, extrude. And I'm just going to click here and put a window around only my shape, enter. And I'm just going to pull it all the way through. Subtract. I'm going to select this L shape, enter. Then I will select this shape, enter. I'm going to switch to the solid tab, fillet edge, radius, 32, enter. I'm going to select this in, enter, just to get a preview, and one more enter to accept it. Now I'm just going to rotate this till I get to the front view. So with not anything selected, I'm going to put a window around it, blue axis, and I'm going to rotate it this direction. So let's take a look at this in an isometric. I'll click there, layout 1 tab at the bottom, delete your viewport, insert, so I enter. I'm going to make sure I uncheck this insertion point box, right click on my title block and insert it. Okay. I'm going to click on the annotate tab. I'm going to select here and choose the dimension option. Go to page setup manager, so layout tab at the top, page setup, modify, DWG to PDF, ANSI full bleed B 17 by 11, extents, check the center to plot box, okay, and close. In this drawing, I'm just going to get you as far as putting in the shapes, and after that you'll be required to still put the dimensions and fill in your title block. Base, from model space, I'm going to click here, enter, come to the right, left click here, come above my shape, left click, and create the isometric view by clicking here. Enter. These shapes are a little bit too big. Select this shape. Select this view scale drop down. And I'm going to choose 1 to 30. And then I can move these around a little bit. Okay, so this is about far as I need to go. You should know how to manipulate this and change it. Set up your dimension styles, put dimensions on it, and also fill in your title block.